Today I am going to teach you about degrees of comparison in adverb. What degrees of comparison in adverb? कैसे compare करते हैं? If the adverb is a word of one syllable, the comparative is formed by adding. Compare जो होता है वो कैसे बनेगा? er ऐड करके, और superlative जो बनेगा वो ly ऐड करके. ओके, जैसे fast, faster, fastest. दो में कंपेयर, he is faster than that. Fastest superlative हो गया, that is more than 2. Okay, hard, harder, hardest. Late, later, latest. Loud, louder, loudest. Near, nearer, nearest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Okay. Some adverbs forms the degree of comparison in an irregular way. ये जैसे क्या था अभी जो हमने देखा, ये irregular way था. Hard, harder, hardest. Simple hard, compare हुआ, harder er लगा, और est कहाँ लगा? Superlative में. Hard, harder, hardest. But कुछ जो होते हैं वो irregular way में होते हैं. Just like far, farther, farthest. Fourth, further, furthest. Fourth, further, furthest. Ill और bad के worse, worst. कहीं कोई comparison नहीं है. Ill, worse, worst. This is worst. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा खराब. Little, less, least. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Much. This is more. That means you can easily understand. This is comparative. Most. More than, comparison between more than 2, then it becomes superlative. Well or good, better, best. Irregular way. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. Okay. Now come to the next point. Adverb ending by ly form the comparative by adding more and superlative by adding most. Adverb ending ly form the comparative by adding more and superlative by adding most. Beautifully. Adverb ending by ly, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Swiftly. More swiftly, most swiftly. Skillfully. More skillfully, most skillfully. Wisely. More wisely, most wisely. Adverb ending ly. Some are there, just like bad, badly, poor, poorly, hard, hardly, kind, kindly, quite, quietly. Short, shortly, wise, wisely. You can use in this way also. Now come to the adverb phrases. Some adverbs are little bit different where you can use it in phrases in colloquial language. मतलब बोलचाल की भाषा में हम लोग उसको phrase में already use भी करते हैं. There are large number of phrases in English which do the work of adverb and one therefore called adverb phrases. जो वर्क ऑफ, जो कुछ इंग्लिश कैसे वर्ड है जो एडवर्ब का काम करते हैं लेकिन उसका हम लोग यूज जो है वो फ्रेज के रूप में करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब फ्रेजेस. फ्रेज मींस मुहावरा. मुहावरा. You can understand मुहावरा, that is called phrase. Okay. A preposition followed by a noun. Preposition है और noun से वो follow हो रहा है. At random. हम लोग कहते हैं at random ऐसा हो गया. Aimlessly मतलब हमारा कोई aim नहीं था और ये हो गया. At random, aimlessly जो होता है. Of course. Preposition followed by noun. Of course. Of course. You can do this. Of course means necessarily, जरूरी, बिल्कुल. At length, at last, at length, finally. In fact, preposition followed by noun. Actually, in fact means actually, सच में, वास्तव में. Of a truth, truly. Of a truth, truly. Of a truth, truly. A preposition followed by an adjective. वहाँ preposition क्या था? Followed by a noun. Here preposition followed by an adjective. Preposition followed by an adjective. Just like in general ऐसा होता है. Okay. In particular in particular, in a particular way, हम लोग कहते हैं ना, in short, tell me whole story in short, tell me whole story in short, but these are adverbs. At large, okay. In vain means व्यर्थ, फालतू में. Your energy go in vain, your labor go in vain. On high, of old, after all, at first sight, the common word है at first sight. At least, come, at least you should speak true, कम से कम सच तो बोलो. At least, at all, almost, at best. In future I will see what you will do. Yeah, what you will do in your future. Okay, in future. At present you have to decide what you want to do at present. Okay, uses of adverb. Attributive. An adverb is used attributively when it qualifies its words in an ordinary way. जब अपने word को ordinary way में normal common word में use करता है, that is known as attributive. You are entirely wrong. Attributive है, entirely कहाँ गया? Wrong से पहले. He shouted loudly. वो कैसे चिल्लाया? Loudly. I dislike him only because he is greedy. I dislike him only because he is greedy. You are entirely wrong. Wrong is a adverb. Predicate. An adverb is used predicatively when it is made part of the predicative of a sentence. An adverb is used predicatively when it is used part of the predicate of a sentence. It is here. It is कहाँ है वो? It is here. It is there. It is everywhere. So these are some parts of adverb. Next I will discuss tomorrow. Always remember one thing. आपको जब कोई मौका मिलता है तो वो किस्मत से मिलता है. मौका किस्मत से मिलता है. That means if you are getting opportunity, this is your luck. But if you want to get success, then success demands more and more labor, your hard work. Success hard work पे depend करता है. Success कभी by luck नहीं मिलता है. You will get chance, get opportunity by luck. But success, if you want success, it demands your hard work, your hard labor. So always try to do hard work. Then definitely you will get opportunity. If you are sitting in at an easy way that I will get success, then you are wrong. So you have to do more practice, because सफलता मौका नहीं मांगती, सफलता मेहनत मांगती है. Okay, thanks.